New York real estate exam prep. Let's get started. The New York City Department of Buildings inspects a renovation project. What do they ensure? Is it A, compliance with building codes? Or B, property taxes paid? Could it be C, fair housing? Or lastly D, license renewal? The correct answer is A. Here is why. The Department of Buildings enforces the NYC construction codes, zoning resolution, and other laws affecting building construction and safety. Option A is correct. Option B is incorrect. Property tax collection is handled by the Department of Finance. Option C is incorrect. Fair housing enforcement is through Human Rights Commission. Option D is incorrect. License renewal is through Department of State/Consumer Affairs. Next question. In Queens, a new construction project impacts wetlands. Under New York environmental laws, which agency regulates this? Is it A, D, C, Department of Environmental Conservation? Or B, DOB, Department of Buildings? Could it be C, DOS, Department of State? Or lastly D, HUD? The correct answer is A. Here is why. The New York State Department of Environmental Conservation, DC, regulates wetlands and issues permits for activities affecting freshwater and tidal wetlands. Option A is correct. Option B is incorrect. DOB enforces building codes. Option C is incorrect. DOS licenses real estate professionals. Option D is incorrect. HUD is Federal Housing Agency. Next question. During a routine audit by the New York Department of State, a real estate brokerage firm in Albany is found to have commingled client escrow funds with the firm's operating account for a short period due to an administrative error. The broker immediately corrects the issue upon discovery. What potential consequence could the brokerage face under New York license law? Is it A, no consequence, as the error was corrected promptly? Or B, a fine and possible suspension or revocation of the broker's license? Could it be C, only a warning if it's the first offense? Or lastly D, mandatory additional continuing education for the broker? The correct answer is B. Here is why. Commingling escrow funds is a serious violation of New York real estate license law, demonstrating untrustworthiness and professional misconduct. While prompt correction may be mitigating, it does not immunize the broker from discipline. Option B is correct. Option A is incorrect. Correction does not negate the violation. Option C is incorrect. Commingling typically results in more than a warning. Option D is incorrect. While education may be ordered, fines and license sanctions are the primary consequences. Next question. During a transaction in Long Island, the listing agent learns from the seller that the property has a history of minor flooding in the basement during heavy rain, though it has been mitigated with sump pumps. The agent does not disclose this to the prospective buyer because it is not a structural defect. Under New York property disclosure and material fact rules, has the agent met their obligation? Is it A, yes, only major structural defects require disclosure? Or B, no, known material defects affecting value or desirability, including water intrusion history, must be disclosed even if mitigated? Could it be C, disclosure is only required if the buyer asks about flooding? Or lastly D, the Property Condition Disclosure Act exempts agents from liability for seller-provided information? The correct answer is B. Here is why. Water intrusion history is a material fact affecting value and desirability. While New York adheres to caveat emptor for sellers, licensees have an affirmative duty to disclose known material defects and cannot remain silent. Option B is correct. Option A is incorrect. Materiality is not limited to structural defects. Option C is incorrect. Disclosure is required regardless of inquiry. Option D is incorrect. Agents may be liable for non-disclosure of known facts. Next question. A property in Buffalo is located in a historic district, and the owner wants to alter the facade. Under New York land use laws, which entity typically reviews this? Is it A, Planning Board? Or B, Landmarks Preservation Commission? Could it be C, Building Department? Or lastly D, Zoning Board? The correct answer is B. Here is why. Historic Preservation Review is conducted by the local Landmarks Preservation Commission or Historic District Board. They review proposed alterations for compatibility with historic character. Option B is correct. Option A is incorrect. Planning boards review site plans and subdivisions. Option C is incorrect. Building departments issue permits based on code compliance. Option D is incorrect. Zoning boards hear variances and appeals. Next question. A real estate transaction in Queens involves a property with a mechanic's lien filed by a contractor for unpaid work. The seller wants to close without paying it off. Under New York legal issues, what risk does the buyer face? Is it A, the lien automatically expires at closing? Or B, the buyer could inherit the lien on the title? Could it be C, the lien only affects the seller? Or lastly D, the title insurance will always cover it? The correct answer is B. Here is why. A mechanic's lien attaches to the real property itself. If not satisfied at closing, the lien remains on title and the buyer takes title subject to the lien. Option B is correct. Option A is incorrect. Liens do not automatically expire at closing. Option C is incorrect. Liens run with the land. Option D is incorrect. Title insurance may exclude known liens or require specific coverage. That's it for today. How many did you score? Let me know in the comments. Please like and subscribe, and tell me what topic I should cover next. Bye.